VW Jetta infotainment systems, particularly MIB2 and MIB3 platforms, sometimes experience issues like freezing, audio dropouts, or connectivity problems. A reset is often the first step to resolving these. There are two main types of resets: a soft reset, which reboots the system without losing data and is ideal for minor glitches, and a hard reset, which is a factory reset that restores the system to its original settings, erasing user data like saved radio stations and app preferences, and is better for more persistent problems like corrupted software. Regular over-the-air OTA updates, available for post-2018 models, can prevent many of these issues by improving software stability and touchscreen responsiveness. Understand that while resets can fix software glitches, hardware issues like faulty screens may require professional repair or replacement, potentially costing $1,000 to $2,000 at a dealership. To perform a soft reset on your VW Jetta infotainment system, locate the power button on the touchscreen. Hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds until the system reboots automatically. This clears temporary glitches without losing your data or settings. For a hard reset or factory reset, access the hidden service menu by pressing and holding the volume knob while simultaneously pressing the lower left corner of the touchscreen. Follow the on-screen prompts to restore the system to factory defaults. Note that this will erase all user data, saved stations, and app preferences. For audio problems like no sound or distortion, first check the wiring connections between the head unit and amplifier. Update the system software through the VW app if available. If issues persist, it may be amplifier failure requiring professional repair. For display issues like a black screen or unresponsiveness, try a full system reboot first. If that doesn't work, the MIB unit may need replacement, which typically costs between $1,000 and $2,000 at a dealership. For complex issues, VW dealerships use the VAS 6154 diagnostic tool, which offers a 95% success rate for fixes. If your Jetta is under warranty or has a recall notice for infotainment issues, contact your dealer immediately for assistance.